Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall GoDaddy Bookings from your website, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the GoDaddy website. Log into your GoDaddy account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the My Products section on the dashboard. Scroll down to find GoDaddy Bookings in your list of products. Click on Manage next to GoDaddy Bookings. This will take you to the GoDaddy Bookings dashboard. In the dashboard, look for the Settings tab on the left side. Click on Settings to open the Settings menu. Within the Settings menu, find the option labeled Website or Integration. Click on this option to see connected websites. Locate the website from which you want to uninstall GoDaddy Bookings. Click on the Settings gear icon next to that website. In the next pop-up window, look for the option to disconnect or uninstall. Confirm your choice to disconnect GoDaddy Bookings from your website. Next, navigate back to the My Products section if necessary. Look for an option to manage active subscriptions or services. Find GoDaddy Bookings in the list and select Cancel or Uninstall. Follow any additional prompts to finalize the uninstallation process. Review your website to ensure that GoDaddy Bookings has been successfully removed. Clear your browser cache if you notice any lingering elements or links. Check your website functionality to ensure everything operates smoothly after the removal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.